Alright guys, so today I've been going to be installing the rear window lip, I guess that's what you call it, the one that goes right here. I have it inside. I'm going to show it to you guys. So hopefully it looks good, it doesn't look that ricey, rice machine. But yeah, side skirts are on, look pretty good. But yeah, let's see how the little wing that goes right here, how it looks. Alright guys, so this is the little wing I'm talking about. Has double-sided tape. So yeah, let's put it on to see how it looks. Alright guys, so it's already on. That's how it looks in the car. Not bad. It's pretty simple, just take off the double-sided tape, make sure it's aligned with the back of the car. That's pretty much it. I like it. I think it looks pretty dope. This is the complete car. Not bad. If not, you can take it off. Just outside tape, nothing that special, but yeah. So pretty much the car is complete from the outside. The only thing I want to do is put some pullovers or bags. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want a full review of the whole car with every single part I have in here. You know, I'll do one. But yeah, that's how it looks.